Number 7, consider the following statements about the diagram below. Choose true or false for each statement. Measure of angle FBE, which is this angle right here, and angle ABC, ABC, are vertical angles. Yes, this is true. They're right across from each other. They're vertical angles. The measure of angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees minus the measure of angle ABC. When I look at these, first of all, I know that this is a right angle, because if this is a right angle, therefore this is a right angle, and right angles add up to 90 degrees. So this is false. Measure of angle ABF and FBE are supplementary angles. This is true. They lie next to each other on a straight angle, so true. Measure of angle FBE and DBE, so this angle and this angle, are complementary angles. No, they are not. They are false. Just because this is a right angle does not make it complementary angles. They are adjacent, however, they are not complementary because they're both together, they're greater than 90. Number 8 is going to be a bonus question. I'm not going to go over it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, it will not hurt you. Okay, number 9. What is the area of the shaded region in the figure shown? Use 3.14 for pi and round your answer to the nearest tenth. So first, we're going to find the area of our rectangle, which is going to be base times height. So the area is equal to 35. Right? Then we're going to find the area of our circle, which is area is equal to pi r squared, using 3.14 for pi. The radius, we got to figure out what our radius is. So our radius is half of this distance right here. Half of 2.6 is 1.3. So we're going to make it 1.3. So 3.14 times 1.3, my calculator just in case. 3.14 times, order of operations, sorry, 1.3 squared is 1.69 times 3.14 is equal to 5.3066. Okay, keep all your decimals. You never change or round your decimal until the end of the problem, unless the question tells you to round it in the middle of the problem. Okay, so the area of the circle is 5.3066. But they want to know the area of the shaded region, right? So in order to do that, I'm going to subtract the area of the circle from that in order to know what the area of the shaded region is. So 35 minus 5.3066 is going to give me 29.7 square centimeters. And last question, number 10. Samara wants to cut out fabric in the shape of a letter S to sew onto the back of a shirt. She sketched out her pattern on her graph paper as shown. How much fabric will Samara use to make the S? So we have the area of the square. So just like your composite shapes, what basic shapes do we have here? We have our triangle and we have our square. The best way of doing this is finding the area of one square and the area of the triangle. Okay, so it looks like you only have one square and you have how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. And as you can look down here at the student work, the area of one square is equal to 1.5 times 1.5, which is 2 1/4. And the area of 8 triangles, well, let's find the area of one triangle first. And the triangle would be, I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to erase all this extra work. Well, I already know that this is 1.5. So if this is 1.5, then this also must be 1.5. And if we recall, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 1.5 times 1.5 divided by 2. That's going to be 2 1/4 divided by 2. Area is equal to 1.125. Right. So I have one triangle. That's 2 not sorry, I have two squares, I'm sorry. That has an area of 2.25, and I'm going to add that to the area of my 8 triangles that have an area of 1.125. Okay? And the total sum of this is going to be 13.5. So you multiply 2 times 2.25 and 8 times 1.125 to get your individual products, and then you add them together to get 13.5. That is the end of the study guide. I hope this helped you and assisted you. Please come ready with your questions Monday morning. Bye.